Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews of the latest and greatest in fashion and lifestyle. Today, we're diving into the world of comfort with the best Automet women's fleece-lined sweatpants. Perfect for those chilly fall and winter days, these sweatpants are designed to keep you warm and stylish. So, let's take a closer look. First off, let's talk about the fabric. The Automet sweatpants are made from a blend of 53% polyester and 47% cotton. This combination creates a fabric that's not only soft against the skin but also durable and easy to care for. They're machine washable, which is a huge plus for those of us who prefer low-maintenance clothing. What sets these sweatpants apart is their fleece lining. This feature provides an extra layer of warmth, making them ideal for the colder months. You won't have to sacrifice comfort for style with these pants, they provide the best of both worlds. The fleece lining also gives them a cozy feel, like wearing a warm hug. Now, let's discuss the design. These sweatpants come with a drawstring waistband, allowing you to adjust the fit to your comfort level. Whether you're lounging at home, running errands, or even heading out for a casual day with friends, you can ensure they fit just right. Another standout feature is the large pockets. Who doesn't love a good pocket? These pants have two sizable side pockets that are perfect for keeping your essentials close at hand, whether it's your phone, keys, or even a snack for those on-the-go moments. What's great about these sweatpants is their versatility. They feature a baggy, wide-leg design that offers unrestricted mobility, which means you can wear them for workouts or simply for lounging around. Plus, they look stylish enough to pair with your favorite sneakers or even dress them up with ankle boots for a more polished look. The Automet sweatpants come in a variety of colors, including classic grays and vibrant options, making it easy to find a pair that fits your personal style. Whether you prefer a subtle look or want to make a statement, there's something for everyone. Let's not forget about comfort. The high-waisted design is not just trendy, it also provides support and a flattering fit, which we all love. The fabric's breathability ensures that you stay comfortable throughout the day, whether you're lounging at home or out and about. Overall, the Automet women's fleece-lined sweatpants are an excellent addition to your wardrobe. They combine quality, comfort, and style at an affordable price point of $25.99, making them accessible for everyone. If you're looking for the perfect pair of sweatpants to keep you warm during the colder months, I highly recommend giving these a try. To get your pair, check out the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product critiques like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.